A warm welcome to everybody. Oh yes, good afternoon. We'd like to welcome everybody to the live trading room. It's an absolute pleasure being with you. All right, guys, before we get started, as always, remember the information that we discuss in this video is opinion and should not be construed as advice in any way. Yeah? And we almost ready to go. Let's get those slow pokes in the building. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. All right, Jules, I see you. Sage Boy, I see you. Tabang, I see you. Check Stefan, don't worry, I'll sort you out, bud. Juliette, I see you there. Tabatso. Hey, man, I really hope you guys are doing fantastic here this afternoon. Man, we are once again, I'll say it, we are steamrolling through the month of November. When we get to October, it's as if we just snap our fingers and it's already Christmas, yeah? Well, you guys are not alone. We are with you here at TD Markets. We are very, very happy to be with you here this afternoon. We counted such joy. It's a privilege to serve our clients, make sure that everybody is having a fantastic time via our system. That's inclusive of our platforms, our support teams, everybody that contributes to the fantastic roundabout service-oriented model that we have here at TD Markets. Now, guys, obviously we've got a bunch to catch up on. Ash is already in a trade. I'm in silver. I'm seeing that rally pan out. It's really pushing up nicely. I'm already in a buy on silver. I know that I'm waiting for, gold, for the gold rush to come through. It's not come through yet, but I'm on the silver rush right now. And I'm going to be chatting a little bit about the rally there. And then we're going to get into some of the currencies. There's some crypto that we also need to get into. We've got quite a buffet that is actually available for you guys. So let's quickly get into what we have available here, guys. As always, remember, if you're here for the very first time, you've never been with us before, my name is Ashley Reeve. I'm one of the trading educators at TD Markets, which, by the way, brings you TD Academy. And myself and my colleague, Tepo Makaudi, I'm running solo on this one. But he is also the other trading educator. And we make sure that all the guys that are coming for education get topped up. It's not the top up at the field where you say, let that thing click. It's just give a little bit more, yeah? And so we make sure all the guys are sorted with regards to the education, the knowledge, that they, upskilled in some way or another. We want to bring to your attention here, as you know, we have different trading accounts from your TDM Pro to your Gold, to your Mini, to your Islamic account. We have the TDM Crypto account as well, guys. We have the TDM Cent account, the TDM Max, the TDM Boost. Whilst they all have their individual specifications, I can guarantee you from a variable spread to a 1.8 pip spread. With more than 100 instruments, you are running well with TD Markets, ladies and gentlemen. Not only that, we also have the other division in TD Markets. That's TDME, TD Markets Exchange, a fully functional and licensed and regulated crypto exchange trading platform, guys. That we have available. That is on offer. I actually have 2 derivative trades in now because, that is what we are trading. I currently am sitting with some Ether, with some Ethereum, and with Doge on the platform. We are using TradingView as the plugin here. So, TD Markets is really bringing you quite a few benefits. We got the MT4, we got the MT5, and we have the TradingView plugin for our crypto. Essentially, for crypto, guys, we have our margin level, and our order entry boxes that is standardly provided for you to know exactly what you'll be placing, the worth of that specific crypto that you do purchase, and the actual margin that you utilize to execute a trade. As an example here, guys, there's a value of $132. That is the actual value or quantity here of this specific crypto. All right, it's valued at 132, but you'll be paying $8 for it. All right, that is the kind of a price margins that we have available at TDME for you to obviously get involved with our crypto, guys. It's phenomenal. We'll be having Friday, afternoons at 2 o'clock. We'll be having a Crypto Decrypted, where we focus essentially on only crypto, making sure that you guys understand that this thing is moving. And when I say this thing, I'm talking about this industry from a regulation, from platforms, from what is happening around the world. It is moving, all right, guys, and we are actually running this game first here from a TDME perspective. So please do not miss out on what we have in store for you. That's every Friday at 2 o'clock, Crypto Decrypted. And we will be pushing through our crypto classes as well there. That would be Mondays to Fridays in the mornings at 11:30 a.m. and at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So essentially, the Academy will be pushing through both FX and crypto education for all our clients. And guys, we are feeling very chuffed and proud, to be doing that and upskilling our guys. Remember, it's all about becoming independent and making sure that you know exactly what you're doing. Giving you control in terms of your knowledge and your competency, and we will be flying through to give you that. All right. Now this afternoon, we want to check out some of our assets, not only the cryptos. We want to check out some commodities. We want to look at what is happening within the stocks placed shares on the New York Stock Exchange, as well as, the European stocks we have that available as well. Even some indices. All right, we're looking at that as well. Our precious metals from, zinc to palladium. All of these, financial instruments is what we have available for the guys. And we want to try and see how we can trade some of that. As I mentioned, I am in, silver right now. I'm waiting for that long to push through. We don't have any fundamentals today, guys. It's a bit sad. You guys do know that the shutdown has not been, the lifting of the shutdown is not yet lifted, if I can put it like that. But there has been a meeting, that has obviously had the Senate come and, agree to some funding policy that seems to be, stretching into January. So just give it a few more days, a day or two. Let's see, if there's any, breaking news about the lift. But it seems like the deal has been sealed for that to happen. And when that does come and it's official and everybody's on the boat, then obviously we're going to be looking for a stronger dollar there. But for today, let's focus on what we have now, and then we're going to get into it. All right, every time I do something on the charts, that's just me going to work. I'll let you know. But in the meantime, guys, make sure there's no distractions. Make sure you have your coffee, your tea, whatever it is. We're about to jump into with this, yeah? All right. Let's push through there. I see a question. I do see a question. How to fund our crypto? I think that's from Nanim Toko. Pretty simple. Share, I see you there as well. Antoinette, I see you. Long time no see there. That's pretty simple. You go to your crypto platform, TDME. Once you verified your account, simply when you go to derivatives, deposit USDT, you'll be able to fund it. We have our payment gateways available, and then you can fund it straight from your smartphone. All right, so you just click on deposit and you follow the prompts. You will definitely be able to fund your account. Also, guys, there will be some more details. I believe we do have some videos available on how to videos on our YouTube platform. We'll make more of that available for you guys to make it easier, right? Because at the end of the day, guys, if you can follow the technical approach on how to do things from a platform perspective, the education comes, and then they all merge together, and you have one working solution. All right, so it's very simple. Let me just show it to you right here. You're gonna see it right there, deposit USDT right there. Once you've clicked on that, you're gonna see that obviously you'll be able to load the amount of money you'd like and so forth in ZAR obviously here, guys, and then you're gonna get your USDT there. All right, you obviously convert it and so forth. But remember, this specific platform is advanced. It does everything for you. You just need to follow the prompts, all right? But like I said, there will be how-tos on how to get this done as well. I believe we do have, but we'll make more of that available, yeah? All right, Ntoko, hope you're right there, yeah? Let's push forward, guys. Let's see what's happening now in the charts. There might be some trades available. And if you're trading something, let a brother know what you are trading. All right, let me know, yeah? All right. All right, in the chat facility, beautiful marketing team right there. All right, our beautiful marketing team, and I'm saying it beautiful. All right, they have it all figured out right there for you. TD Markets right there. Mtoko, it's calling your name, yeah? Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, let's push forward now. Let's look at silver right over here. Now, we're looking at silver for some buys. Ash is looking for some buys, all right? Beautiful push to the upside. I've gotten what I needed here. Price has pushed, you can see, above this 49.17. That's the $49 per ounce there for silver. And I'm looking for some additional upside here back into this gray zone, which is about between $51 and $54 per ounce. That will be for silver. I'm already in a long here. I have looked at it on a 1 hour time frame from a structural perspective. We've created our high there. We've come down for a higher low, and we've created another higher high. Now, am I looking, to see where the price could possibly, push to the downside? Yes, absolutely. But I'm tracking this on a 4 hour time frame. Nani, I see it there. Beautiful. I got a horn for you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, could there be some downside here first? Yes. All right. That goes without saying. We are trading a much higher time frame's momentum. So the shorter time frame, from a 4 hour perspective, if you are looking at a 15-minute structure, there is a possibility that price could definitely come down first. All right. I am looking for the upside though. Now, for the guys that's looking to scalp a little bit here, all right, I got some information for you. If you're looking to scalp it, you're going to be looking at the 15-minute, and you'll be dealing with this low over here to that high. But the challenge that you're going to, face is that the overall momentum right now is bullish, okay? So if you're going to take that sell there, yes, you can take the sell. I did a sell yesterday. I did take a sell, and I was perfectly within the right to take the sell because it had met all my criteria. I went in for the sell. All right, you can see right there, I went in for the sell. Price pushed down a little bit, but then it pushed up. Now, I took a shorter time frame sell. All right, that was a shorter time frame. And now, whilst there's nothing wrong with taking that specific sell to the downside. All right, Stefan, there's our song. Yeah, I hope you got it, brother. So taking the sell, rejects, pushes up. The 15-minute was not strong enough, or at least the activity on the 15-minute was not strong enough or domineering enough for price to go all the way down. You can see it actually rejected at that support. So what Ash should have done here, all right, we should have pushed down with a little bit more momentum. Now, why am I mentioning this, all right? Why am I mentioning this, guys? Because what's critical here is that you're not only at a brokerage that is showing wins, even although, you know, if I have to be honest, guys, we have a lot of W's, yeah? But what we also want is to bring our clients reality. There are times when a trade is gonna move against you, and there's nothing wrong with that. Right now, I'm in some profits with silver. So this is the opposite of yesterday. I'm in profits with silver right now. I can take this profits and say, hold on, there seems to be a bit of resistance that is building up. All right? Tato, I'm telling you, we got many W's, buddy. All right? All right? Don't sidetrack me here because I almost named them. All right? Don't let me off ramp now, Tato. Please, please. Let's keep it focused, yeah, bro? All right? Now, I can take the profits right now. Nothing wrong with that, okay? That just means that I'm looking at a shorter time or shorter time frame structure to go to the downside. That means I need to do some work. So if you are interested, remember, I'm looking at the higher time frames. Now, if you are feeling that, listen, Ash, I hear you on that. I hear you on the fact that you're taking the higher time frame. I would like to do a shorter time frame. Okay, all right, I got you. So let's move in now with a shorter time frame here. This is the structure on silver, okay? This is the structure on silver. And I'm going to be using a 15-minute time frame to identify levels. Now, please understand, you're taking this with the understanding that the dominant, the overall movement is to the upside. There could be a correction here. So that is what we're going to be looking for, all right? Now, guys, our live streams is not only crazy, exciting, but it's also educational at the same time. So watch this now, watch. So there's the 4-hour momentum. It's looking beautiful. We have a high, we have a higher high, there's a higher low. How do I know this is a high? Because it's given me a higher low. So this is the structure. Now watch, rallying to the upside. Silver is up 5%. It's a 3-week high. Just some fundamentals for the guys so they do know, all right? It's up 5%. Traders obviously expect the Federal Reserve to cut those interest rates, so we're seeing the rally come in. All right, US data is showing job losses. There's weaker consumer confidence. And the context is a smaller rate cut of 0.25%, all right, is likely. So from a fundamental perspective, that cut is coming December. So it looks like the safe haven demand is not depleted yet. All right, that's why we're seeing the strong move. Let's look for a possible short. All right, so let's look for a possible short here now. This is going to be for the guys that are willing to take some risk, that's willing to put some risk in place. Let's go to work. So watch what Ash does. Watch what Ash does here. You got to get in with the classes, guys. Because what the classes shows you is different ways to technically analyze it, all right? And whilst we know, let's just mention this, whilst we know there are many technical things you can do. We are absolutely not oblivious to that. We are absolutely sound in that understanding, all right? But you got to find what works for you. You got to find what works for you. And that's the great thing about the Academy. We're not interested for you to just trade like everybody else. We want you to trade the way you trade, because it's your money at the end of the day, isn't it? So we teach you that, okay? So if we get a break here, guys, this is going to be it, all right? So for the guys that want to get into some cash right now, we're going to have to wait for a 20-minute candle or 30-minute here. Now I can go lower than that, but I we don't want to be too fragile here. So look at this. So if we can get a 20-minute that closes beneath here, we're not going to be that ambitious thinking silver's going to jump all the way down here. It's already at 51. We're not that ambitious at this point. We're going to go somewhere else. We're going to cut this sucker in half. And I'm going to give you two areas here. Two areas. This is scalping right now. This is scalping it. This is not for you to hold. We're not swinging any trades here. We're not swinging no trades here now. We are scalping. We're going to get in. So there's two areas here. Guys, this is technique. Listen to what Ash is telling you. This is technique. It's skill. All right, here we go. So 50. That is the zone. That's it right there. If we get a push to the downside, that is it. That's all we're looking for. We're scalping. All right. All right. There's the second zone right there. 49. We're waiting for it. So if we can get a 20-minute, now do yourself a favor. Go onto your... you can actually go to the market here, the MT5 market. You can get yourself a free pip tick calculator. Do you see on the right-hand side? Hold on, let me just get this for the guys. Apologies, that's not showing. That's not showing. Hold on. Get yourself a free pip tick calculator, candle timer. Okay? Simple. All right, so there's 5 minutes left here. Let's see where this 30-minute closes. If this 30-minute closes here, Ash is going to consider just to take my profits for now and then possibly look for shorts over here. All right, let's see how it goes here. All right, that's the silver price. Let's see if gold is giving us something similar here. All right, so that's silver. Remember, they are both very bullish. They are both very bullish, but we're looking for the possibility that price can push to the downside short term. Listen to what Ash is saying. Short term, all right? Look at that. Let's see. Let's go to work. It's bullish, man. All right, so here we go. Right. This is very bullish. Yeah, this one, guys, this is very bullish, man. But okay, nonetheless, let's give the people what they want to see. Let's give the people what they want to see. All right, so can you see the structure here? This is the first high. All right, that's the first high. Right there. That's the first high. All right, that's it right there. Hold on, let Ash give you some more here. 15 minutes. So we're looking at a 15-minute structure. All right, so this thing's looking similar to that of the silver price. Okay, we're waiting for the 30 minutes to close, peeps. 30 minutes. This one is already below, my word. So this, if you think about it, you can, the guys that want to jump in here already, I mean, it's staring you right in the face. Look at that. But something that we're very aware of, not everybody is the same in terms of their risk. That's the resistance. That's the resistance, okay? That's the resistance. But we got to do the same now, all right? We got to do the same. This is just technique. This is just technique. Let's take this off. It is, guys, just so you do know, it's very bullish, eh? This thing is very bullish, so this is going to be a risk factor here. Let's see. All right. Look, there's already guys that's in here for the short, but they're taking a risk. They're taking a risk here. All right, 4114. Short term. There's guys that can get, like I said, there's guys that are in now already. They're already in to come to the downside. Some guys are going to wait for this area here, that area to be broken. But there's guys that's in right now. So if you look at it from this angle, that is exit 1. It's all short term here. So batch number 1, there's already guys that's in, very risky. And then here's batch 2. Here's batch 2. There we go. That's batch 2 right there. All right. So silver and gold is looking similar, but look at that. It's exactly what I'm telling you. You see? So you're going to be taking a very big risk if you're trying to go to the downside here, guys. Look at that. We got 1 minute left until that 30-minute closes. I'm already in a long here with silver. And look where it's going to. It's shifting to the upside. I told you that the bullish momentum is actually to the, there's bullish momentum. It's actually to the upside. Look at that. There's about a minute and 16 seconds left. So if you're trading a shorter time frame, all right, now I'm waiting for the 30 minutes over here. If I can get a 30-minute candle to close above there or one hour, I'm going for a long on gold, guys. I'm going for a long on gold. I'm not going to go short. All right. So let's see here. Hold on. We got about 53 seconds left here. 53 seconds. Let's go to work. All right. Let's also look at the Hang Seng. I am in a long here. I've already gotten in. It's looking nice. So far, so good. I'm in a bit of profits there with the Hang Seng. I'm about $11 into the silver. I'm about $3 into the Hang Seng right now, all right? I also got that NVIDIA that we're working up, yeah? NVIDIA is looking good, pretty bullish. So we're looking good so far, yeah? We're looking good. USD JPY, I'm not getting that close here that I'm looking for, yeah? I'm looking for 4-hour close above, but it just doesn't look like it's coming through right now. We're also looking at the GBP yen. Nothing here yet. We need a 4-hour close above here. I don't think it's going to give us as yet, guys. All right. I don't think it's going to give us as yet. By the way, McDonald's, we have the McDonald's stock available as well. New York Stock Exchange. You guys know it's 11:11. There was some stuff around the Big Mac being $30 for today. For all those loving McDs, we got the stock. All right. You can trade the stock with us and you can eat the McDonald's Big Mac whilst you're trading the stock. Yeah, at 3:30 we're going live with the New York Stock Exchange there. The US will open. So you can trade the stock and you can eat the burger at the same time right here with TD Markets, yeah? All right. So look at this, guys. The 30-minute close beneath. Like I said, we're waiting for it. We need a higher time frame than the 15 to close beneath, guys. So the 15-minute is where we're monitoring it, but we need a 20 or we need a 30-minute to close beneath here. Very, very important. That's another W. Edmund, that's a W. Guys, if you're in here and you know that we're winning, just put a W in the chat, yeah? That's my 13-year-old daughter. She's talking about W's. I don't know how to make the sign, but it's... All right, so we got 20 minutes, or at least we got to wait for the 20-minute mark to come through. Let me get a different candle. This one is not working. All right, 8 minutes left here, guys. 8 minutes left. Let's see if it gives it to us, yeah? All right, so just some information for you guys on the MT5 here. You can set your market watch to give you your symbols, all right? So you can look at your gainers, your losers. You can look at the industry, whether it's commodities, whether it's currencies. And you can actually set it to assist yourself. All right. So, example, if you're looking at losers today from a daily change perspective, you can actually look at it down here. So, look at AUS 200. We are losing a little bit on this one. Let's see what's happening here from a daily perspective. Look at that. So, there might be something here for us on. Yeah. We are pretty bearish. We're pretty bearish here. So, we're going to use the structure. We're going to use, so here's a 1 hour structure. All right, so let's go to work with the AUS, with the ASX 200, yeah? So you can see this is the structure. That's the structure that is currently, it's pretty bearish at this point in time. But getting in here now would be a bit of a problem. I'll tell you why. This high needs to be broken first. We're still above it. All right, that high is broken, but it's still creating the resistance. You can even see on the RSI here, we're actually going down. There's divergence here, slightly so. But we would need price to break that specific high over there. All right, get into the academy and I will tell you guys why we're looking at that high over there. All right, so here we go. Let's see what's happening. So we are currently, we need to break this low here. If we can break this area, this is the area of interest. That's the area of interest. That's the zone, okay? So if we can just break through that specific area, that becomes a fantastic push to the downside. And this is something that silver didn't give me yesterday. Look at that. That's all we need. We just need a break there. If we can break beneath 8534, hold on. Let me just give it to you. 8534.23. That is ASX. AUS 200. All right, there we go. That is the stock index. That's the stock index for Australia. Okay, let's see that silver. See there. Look at the gold. We're still waiting for it, guys. We're still waiting for it, yeah? All right, let's get to the next one. Guys, whatever you're trading, put it in the chat facility. If there's something that you are trading or you want me to, to check, quickly put it in there, all right? I see Edmund there, just want to see 4149 on gold. 4149. It's broken, yeah? Oh, do you mean for the long, the Ed? You can let me know. Is it for the Ed? For the Ed. Is it for the long? That's hilarious. All right. So to push to the upside, looking for 4149 for the Ed. Let's look at NAS 100. There could be something here as well, guys. Oh no, you see here. Okay. Oh, fine. No. It's now loaded. It's all good. It's all good. Peter cried wolf. All right. So we're actually more bullish here. We're actually a little bit more bullish here. Yeah, we're a little bit more bullish here, guys, on the NAS. Please be careful here because this is going to be a very interesting one. Ash is going to look for a 15-minute here. I'll be looking for a 15-minute here. Yeah, I'll be looking for a 15-minute here. Yeah. I'll be looking for a 15-minute. And we'll be trading it. Hold on. We'll be trading it. Yeah, no, this should be a beautiful trade. If all comes together, it should be a beautiful trade. Yeah, just one more push to the upside. I agree with you. One more push above that area. That would be, let me just give it to you here. Big index 25707.97. One more push to the upside. Now, guys, you can either, there's many guys, they're going to be buying now that so they can get the low there, okay? From a 15-minute perspective, but I think we're still going to come down for one more push. I think we're going to come down for one more push, but above 25707 to possibly take this guy up here, and then later on we'll chat about the rest. But for now, 25922.63. That's it. That's NAS. That's NAS. So if you're going to be trading this from a 4-hour perspective, that's fine. Let me help the guys, and I'll be using a red line now. All right. So the guys that are looking for the 1-hour push, the 1-hour push to the downside, if you have the slightest feeling that we're pushing to the downside first, no problem. But then we'll be tracking this one now on a 5-minute here. This will be a 5-minute. But Ash will only get into the short here. Remember, this is more bullish, guys. It's more bullish. So you're going to be taking a very high risk here. Hold on. Let's make this red here, guys. Let's go to work. I'm going to loop back to silver now. I'm just waiting to see what's happening here. I'm going to loop back to silver. All right, just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Let's go to work, baby. All right. So NAS, look at this. For the guys that want to get into NAS, this will be batch number 1 right here. This will be 2. So the guys. All right. So here we go, guys. NAS, powerful. This here becomes batch number 1. That's for all the guys that want to go now. For all the guys that want to go now. Yeah. 2 minutes left on NAS, all right? 2 minutes left. If the 6-minute closes here, that becomes a trade for some of the guys. That's batch 1. Batch 2 is below that. It's a nice gap there to be closed. I agree. That's batch 2 right there beneath there. All right, so I'm going to leave this one, guys. Let's go to silver real quickly. Silver. Ah, look at that. Look at the gold price. Nothing there. AUS 200, nothing. So NAS is looking fantastic here, guys, yeah? NAS is looking beautiful. We got 1 minute, 36 seconds. I don't know if there's anyone here that's feeling the NAS, that's feeling it right now. If you're feeling the NAS, to go to the downside, to close that move, that's free flow traffic right there, yeah? Let's see. Whilst we at it, let's look at the US 30, people. Yeah. Come on. So we're only looking at the 1 hour. You know, they've been out of balance, these guys, eh? They have been out of balance, guys. They have been out of balance. If you're going to be taking this trade, this is all bullish. Just so you know, this is bullish, guys. This is bullish. Okay? But if you see a correction happening here, 42 seconds. Let's go. 42 seconds. 36. All right, let's go. 32, guys. I think I want to take this one. It's going to be risky. It's going to be risky. But I know exactly what my exit strategy is. 20 seconds left, people. 20 seconds left here. About to push into the NAS 100, yeah? 10 seconds. Let's see where it closes. It has to close beneath, though. It has to close beneath. 2, 1. All right, I've just gotten into the NAS here. I just want to close the gap just until there. I just want to close the gap till there. All right, that's it. I just want to close the gap. Now, this is my exit strategy here. 10 minutes. Pakat. Hi. If a 10-minute closes above here, guys, I'm out. That is break of structure right there. If a 10-minute closes above there, Ash is out. Right now, I'm short. I'm going short. Only if a 10-minute closes above there, then I'm out. That's break of structure. Right now, I'm in for the short. I'm in for the short. NAS 100, let's go. I'm in for the short. Yeah, this one's giving us nothing. US 30 is nothing, guys. Look at the gold. Look at the gold. Look at the gold and the silver. Nothing there. Nothing there. Russell 2000, looks like we're pushing down here. Another one for the guys. We're looking at the hour frame, even although it is bullish, guys. Please listen to what Ash is telling you. It's bullish. However, there's a risk here. Woo! This one here, this might just give the guys what they want. Russell 2000. Russell, the main muscle. Yeah. 6 minutes. Oh, yeah. All right. 6 minutes. Close beneath. Ash is going for that short right there. Russell 2000. Gonna be a risk though. It's gonna be a risk, but man, I'm gonna wait for it. All right, so Russell 2000 and NAS 100. So far, we in. I'm in. Russell 2000, I'm waiting for the 6 minute to close beneath here. Then I want to get into it. All right, not now. I'm gonna wait for it. So NAS 100, we still in. Like I said, 10-minute frame above there. That's the only way I'm gonna get out. That's the only way I'm getting out. If a 10-minute closes, above there, that's break of structure. That's break of structure. So we're taking, I don't care about any corrections right now. I really couldn't care less, guys. I'm only getting out of NAS 100 if I get a 10-minute frame. I will then get out of the specific trade. Either than that, I'm in. Hang Seng, I'm still good to go there. I'm still in there, guys. So it looks like there is definitely, a lot of imbalance in terms of the indices as well here, all right? All right, let's look at AUD, USD. All right. Looks like there's some upside here. Where's Caloran? Beautiful break here. Ash is going up. Hey, Zulu. All right, 20-minute above there, I'm getting in. Guys, I can scale it down. I can scale it down. I can use the 1 hour, okay? It's gonna be trickier, but let's use it. Get into the academy, guys. Listen to what I'm telling you. Get into the academy. Listen to what this man is telling you. Get into the academy. Let's go to work. So I'm dealing with 6-minute candles here today. I'm dealing with 6-minute candles here today. 6 minutes. The beautiful thing about knowing your craft is you know exactly what you're doing. Did you see the intensity there? All right, so here we have AUD USD, guys. Now, one thing that we do know is that there's a batch 2 here, but there's a batch 1. There's a batch 1. There's a batch 1, and that is to do with this structure here. It's this structure right there. That structure. Hey, guys. All right. So here we have. This is gonna be crazy, mad, risky, but I know I got some crazy, mad people here. I'm one of them. Hold up. All right, so here we go. That is for the batches number 1. This is for the crazy, mad, risky people. I'm one of them. That's batch 1. Break above that. Don't forget, I'm looking for a 2-minute candle here. That's how I've scaled this sucker down. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. If a 2-minute candle can close above here, that's batch 1 right there. I'm going in. So I'm waiting for it now. Yeah, let's go to work. 2-minute candle. Come on, baby. Mad risky. But man, it's good. All right, silver. Look at that silver now. You see that? You see that? Look at that. Look at that. Nas is playing with us here. Russell, nothing yet. US 30, nothing. Hang Seng holding tight. Look at the AUD USD now, guys. Look at this. Exactly at the top of that hour. I'm going to wait for it. Ed, I'll wait for that top of the hour, man. I'm going to wait for it, yeah? If the volatility kicks in and we can get a 2-minute candle closing above ashes, pushing this one up. And I'm going to take it up. Shira, that gap of yours, I'm pushing it up from there to there. I'm going to go in with a little bit more volumes here, though. Definitely. And get a 2-minute to close above there. I'm going to go in with a bit more volume now. But I have to wait for that 2-minute candle to close above. All right, so this one is going to be mad, crazy, risky. But if you look at the structure, all right, you can see here high, higher, low, higher, high. High, higher, low, higher, high. Let's see what happens here. So we're waiting for this structure to develop itself. All right, that's what we're waiting for. In the meantime, T, I hope you're watching, man. In the meantime, NAS 100 is pushing through here. Looks like we're pushing through here on NAS 100. Look at that. Guys, is there anyone that went into the NAS? Who felt it? Who felt the NAS here? Quickly, guys, just put it in the chat facility. Real quickly. Let's see, yeah? All right, I'm seeing some emojis come through there. All right. Shira, we got to talk, bud. Sorry about that, guys. Apologies. All right, so AUD USD, you can see we're looking for some support. There's some support here, guys. Remember, we're trading 2 minutes. I'm trading a 2-minute frame now. I'll be trading a 2-minute frame here, right here, where I'm waiting for it. Hang Seng, I'm waiting. US 30, I'm waiting. Russell, nothing. NAS, guys, remember NAS. The only way Ash is going to get out of NAS is if I get a 10-minute close above it. That's the only way I'm getting out. Right now, I'm only looking for that short right now. A US 200, I need it to break beneath 8534. 8534. 8534. The gold price and the silver price, we're still waiting. Look at that. We're still waiting. We're still waiting. I'm still waiting on this one, guys. Still waiting. All right, here we go. Here we go. So let me do this. Let me get out. Take my profits for now. All right, so I've taken profits for now on silver. Let's see what happens here now. All right. 7 minutes left. If a 7-minute candle closes, if a 30-minute closes beneath here, I'm going in for a short. All right, I'm going in for a short. All right, so silver, I got 7 minutes left here, yeah? FX Boss, gold, I'm waiting for, also got 6 minutes left. Ones are already in. Ones are already in. All right. So I'm waiting to see for this candle. I'm actually wanting to go in at 2 here. So ashes for silver, I'm going to go in the next 6 minutes. But for gold, I'm going to wait for 4114.69. That's what Ash is going to wait for there on the gold. But the silver, I'm going to wait. Silver, I'm going to wait for 6 minutes now. If it can close like this, I'm going to go in for the short here. Yeah, that means some dollar strength is coming in here. Ed, top of that hour, we're going to have to wait and see what happens there, because if the dollar strength comes in, we might just push to the upside here now. All right, so let's look at AUD, USD, guys. Nothing here yet. I'm staying put. I'm not doing anything there. Hang Seng, I'm in, but I'm waiting. US 30, I'm not even in there. Russell 2000, I need a break and close. NAS, I'm already in here, yeah? 1453, ladies and gentlemen. We're waiting to see what happens now as price goes on. But silver, so far, 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left on silver. 5 minutes, 49 seconds left. That's what I'm waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. There we go now. There we go now. There we go now. Come on. So it looks like the shorter time frames might just domineer or dominate, all right, this session right here, not the higher time frames. Listen to what I just said to you guys. If you're hearing me carefully, there are moments when higher time frames dominate and there's times when lower time frames dominate. You got to train the eye to see it. You got to train your eye to see that, guys. Get in with the academy, guys. Get in with us. Get in with us, yeah? Guys, don't forget Friday's Crypto Decrypted, TDME, the crypto division of TD Markets. And we are looking forward to chatting with you guys about that. Don't forget it. Here it is right here, fully fledged, fully functional, all right? Licensed, regulated crypto trading platform, exclusively brought to you by TD Markets Exchange, TDME for short. Also, we'll be chatting about our Zarcoin, guys. The power of Zarcoin, brought to you by TD Markets, all right? We'll be chatting about all of this so you guys can understand how deep we actually, how deep we've went into the rabbit hole, you know, so to speak, as it relates to the financial markets here, guys. Running first and pioneering, yeah? All right, look at that silver price now, beautiful. Where's the NAS? Come on, baby. If you're in with the NAS, guys, it's struggling in that area. So the silver price and the gold price. So the guys that are in with the gold already, you should be making money now. You should be in. If you got into the gold price for that short, you should be making money right now. Is there anyone like that on this chat? Quickly, guys. You should be making some cash here now. That's the gold price. Silver, we're waiting. Look at that. Look at that. That's insane, man. But what I'm waiting for here now, you see, the ideal place, guys, the ideal place. Do you see this low here? See that area there? That zone right there. If this momentum, see, I don't want to fall for the same trap. You see, it's all about learning, right? If a candle closes beneath this low, so I'm going to go in with some volumes, smaller volumes, but the moment I get a close beneath this area here, I'm going to really push my volumes down, while up to go down to 50. So I got 2 minutes left here. Then I'll enter. Remember, the overall movement is to the upside, so we're taking risks. All right, NAS, I think we're gonna push down here, 1530. Russell 2000, all right, looking good. See, it's still developing here. It's still developing here, guys. It's still developing. So right now, it's silver, it's NAS, and it's the gold price. NAS, silver, and the gold price. That's what we're looking at here. I'll say it again. Gold, silver, and NAS. I don't have anything on the USD JPY right now. Nothing else at this point in time, guys. See, we might even come down here, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. It's gold, silver, 1 minute, NAS. All right, look at this. Look at this now. Come on, baby. Dollar index. Let's see, dollar index. Come on, baby. Let's see where that sucker is. Yeah, the dollar's strengthening a little bit from a support level now. It's a bit of strength coming into it now. I can see it on the 15 minutes. So look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Come on. 45 seconds. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Yes. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. You see that? You see that? Come on. Come on. You see, it's stopping at that support, guys. I'm not comfortable with that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 10 seconds. It's not going to go down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 4, 3. It stopped right there. All right, so I'm waiting. Look at the NAS. Okay, the NAS is still there. All right, so I went in with a small amount for now, for the short, because of that candle. All right, let's see. If this candle can pass this low here, I'm gonna be dropping more volumes. If we can come down and just pass here, I'm going to be dropping more volumes. I'm waiting. Look at that momentum. Boom. Big candle to the downside. I'm waiting. Look at that. If we can just drop just one down, just kill that low. I'm coming down. I'm in with some small volumes here now. See, the dollar's weakening right now. At the top of the hour there, Ed, it's weakening a little bit here now, yeah? Let's look at the NAS. See, the NAS is still struggling there. It's a struggle, guys. Maybe at the 1530, yeah? 1530. 1530, guys. Our chat facility, our marketing team has made all our links available. Beautiful marketing team, guys. All the links is in the chat facility. Open up that account with TDME official website. You'll see it there, tdmarkets.io. And you can get into the crypto derivative space there with us at TD Markets Exchange, yeah? It's right there. All right, let's wait. Let's see. So look at the gold price now. Standing still. Silver went in with some small volumes for now. All right. The NAS 100. I'm waiting for a 10-minute frame. If a 10-minute frame closes above there, I'm out. Russell 2000, nothing here yet. US 30, nothing here. AUD USD, nothing over here yet. It's 1502 now, guys. So what I want you to do is, guys, there's no fundamentals right now. We only have the US Open that will be running at 1530. So we're expecting some movement there, all right? So watch these three very carefully. So the silver price, let's loop back to the understanding. It is actually bullish. The silver and the gold is actually bullish, okay? So what we're anticipating here, if the dollar strengthens at 1530, it means the shorter time frames will be dominating the start of the US session, okay? That's the short that we're referring to. But the overall movement is actually up. We're anticipating, if the dollar strengthens now at 1530, that the shorter time frames will dominate the start of the New York session, okay? That's beautiful. We make our money, we out. We're not referring to later tonight, 7 p.m., 8 p.m., because then the dollar can weaken at that time. We're talking about speaking about the start of the New York session, okay? So we're looking at the gold price, possible short correction to the downside. Silver, correction possible to the downside. NAS, correction to the downside. Now look at the silver. The silver looks like we're pushing down here now. Is there anyone else that got into the silver? Is there anyone else that got into the silver here? If you don't mind, chat facility, if you can. If you don't, it's fine. Ash is trying to engage and see what's happening and seeing if there's anyone here. So silver, I'm currently in silver for that short. NAS, I'm in for the short. Hang Seng, I'm in for the long. But the ones that I'm particularly looking at is the silver price as well as the NASDAQ. That's it. That's what I'm looking for right now. So I'll be watching it at 1530 to see if this thing pushes further to the downside on the shorter or smaller time frames, knowing very well that the higher time frames is actually bullish. All right, guys, just a note on Thursday, CPI is tentative. All right, it's supposed to come out on Thursday, the 13th of November. But the government shut down at this point in time. Obviously, like I said, there's been some meetings, and there seems to be a funding policy that's come out to extend into January, which means this could be the start of the lifting. But the status of shutdown, I've not seen it being taken off officially in a sense that it's done. I'm seeing on all the platforms, it's still there. But Thursday, there will be a trading room nonetheless. So I'll see you guys again on Thursday. That's at 2 o'clock, and we're going to see what happens there. We got the AUD coming out with their unemployment rate, and that's at 2:30. So we'll be trading that Aussie dollar at 2:30 on Thursday, and hopefully we'll get the US dollar as well on Thursday. All right. But guys, catch us once again tomorrow, opening bell at 9 a.m. with Makauti. He'll be tuning in with you guys there. We're watching the silver price and the NASDAQ as well as the gold right now at 1530. Have a fantastic one, guys. We're going to see how it develops, but what a pleasure, what a blessing. It is really good to be with you guys as always. I'll see you guys on Thursday. All right, Ashley Reeve, guys, and I'm checking out. Ciao, ciao.